Hi guys, Autumn here today to do my February 2019 Romance Reveal book box. I get the 8 book box. Before I unbox that though, I want to talk to you a little bit. So I just got back from Vancouver, BC today. So this is why this video is going to go up instead of my wrap up, which will go up tomorrow. But anyways, I did get this. I think I got this yesterday. I wasn't home to unbox it. So yes, and with Romance Reveal book box, there are 2, 4, 6, 8 book subscription boxes. I've been doing this for 2 years now, and since May last year, or June last year, I've been doing the 8 book box, and I really love it. I love the Romance Reveal. So you get between 2 and 8 signed books, romance books, some swag, and yes, I think it's really good. I pay almost $100 for the 8 book box. So yes. But anyways, let's get to it. So you open it and you have tissue paper. This is a little ripped, but that's okay. And then you get you see all of theirs. So the first thing I see is a heart-shaped lollipop. I see some matches. I see a Proud Romance Reader notepad. A candle, which is vanilla peppermint. Ooh, and it smells good. Oh, this one's opened a little. That's okay. Smells good. And then the first book I see is Playing for Keeps, a Heartbreaker Bay novel by Jill Chavis, not Jay, sorry. And it's signed. And then you got loads of pink stuff. Then I have some more swag. The next thing I see is a bookmark. Then a Helena Hunting bookmark. Then a C.A. Harms little thing that's a little ruined, but that's okay. And then the coloring card, we have K.A. Lynn. And then a pin. I like my romance to be like my whiskey, intoxicating with a little burn before it feels good, by Candy Snyder. And then I got Everything I Need by A.K. Evans. And it's signed. Then I got Sex Material by Victoria Ashley, which is signed. Then I got Her Lifeline by L.A. Casey, which I've heard of but never read a book by her, so I'm excited. And then I got Falling for the Playboy by Kennedy Fox. This is book 2 in the bedtime reads one. And then I got Love Conquer by Kara Hart. Book 3 in the Battlefield of Love. Then we got The Kiss Thief by L.J. Shin, which is signed. Did I show you? That one's signed too. And then the next book, they didn't actually have 8 authors this month. So there was three different books I could have ended up with. And the book I did end up with is Recovered by Jay Crownover. And it is signed. So, yes. I do have this on audio and Kindle. I also have this on audio too. So, yes. But I'm super excited about all the books I got this time, this month, and yes. If you've read any of these, what did you think of them? And which one should I pick up first? And I'll see you guys later. Bye.